Hello, CAT aspirants. I'm Atal Shankar Mishra, a junior executive member of the admissions committee here at IIM Raipur, and I'm here to give you some last minute tips and tricks on how to go about the CAT exam with just 10 days to go. Let me start by lending you a helping hand from all of us here at the admissions committee of IIM Raipur. Our 8 member team will be available to help you throughout your CAT process. You will be seeing some of us in the upcoming videos, and the rest of us when you seek admission to our prestigious institute. Over the next few days, we will also be sharing some section-wise tips and tricks videos by some of our brightest students here. Do make sure to check them out as they will benefit you in the final exam. So coming to the actual exam, first things first, the exam may be 10 days from now, but this process is not a sprint, it's a marathon. CAT is just the first step and it's paramount that you get off to a great start. Think of these 10 days as the warm-up before the big day. You have to start by setting a schedule for the warm-up, right? A very important point to remember is not to start anything new right now. This is not the time to experiment, just stick to your guns and strengthen them. Give full length mocks till about 2 or 3 days before the actual exam and then just put a hard stop on that. Take your time, analyze all these mocks, take your time to see how long it takes you for every question and aim to manage your time better. Set your target on the number of questions you should attempt per section and do not panic if you can't attempt them all. The paper is specifically designed for that. Focus on the number of questions you attempt and the accuracy you get rather than the percentile you're getting in all of these mocks you're giving. Go through the previous 10 years' question papers, especially last year's in 2020, where we saw a drastic change from the 3-hour to a 2-hour examination format. This will help you in seeing a pattern in the type of questions that are asked in the examination. Also, familiarize yourself with the exam interface and pattern which is available on the CAT website. Last but not the least, take care of yourself. Take care of your health. Believe in yourself and trust yourself. This is the day you have been preparing for, and you do not want to overburden yourself before this exam. Sleep like a baby, eat healthy food, and definitely treat yourself after you're done with the exam. But panicking and worrying in the 11th hour is futile. You have prepared yourself for this day, so go and give your best. From all of us here at the admissions committee at IIM Raipur, we all wish you all the best.